AI is revolutionizing how people build wealth. From smarter investing to automated savings and business growth, AI tools are helping people make better financial decisions. Whether you're looking to invest, manage money, or create passive income, these AI-powered platforms will give you a serious edge in 2025. 1. Wealthfront, AI for automated investing. Investing used to require hours of research, but AI-driven platforms like Wealthfront are making wealth building completely hands-free. Checkmark how it helps you build wealth. One. Uses AI-driven algorithms to manage your investment portfolio. 2. Automatically adjusts risk based on market trends. 3. Tax loss harvesting to save you money. 4. Minimal fees compared to traditional financial advisors. Light bulb example. If you invest $500 per month, Wealthfront can optimize your returns, rebalance your portfolio, and reduce taxes, helping you build a six-figure portfolio over time. 2. ChatGPT, AI for business and side hustles. AI isn't just for investing. It's also a business and side hustle accelerator. ChatGPT can help you launch and grow online businesses that generate passive income. Checkmark how it helps you build wealth. One. Automates content creation, blogs, social media, product descriptions. 2. Generates business ideas and marketing strategies. 3. Writes high-converting sales copy and emails. 4. Helps with customer support through AI chatbot. Light bulb example. Entrepreneurs are using ChatGPT to create automated online businesses, digital products, and high-converting content, earning thousands in passive income. 3. Magnify, AI for smarter stock investing. For those serious about stock investing, Magnify is an AI-powered tool that helps you make smarter investment decisions faster. Checkmark how it helps you build wealth. One. AI-powered stock screening and analysis. 2. Identifies market trends before they happen. 3. Helps find undervalued stocks with high potential. 4. Personalized portfolio recommendations. Light bulb example. Instead of spending hours analyzing stocks, Magnify can instantly show you which investments align with your financial goals, maximizing returns with less effort. Final thoughts. Use AI to build wealth fast. AI is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity for wealth building in 2025. Whether you're investing, starting a business, or automating financial growth, these AI tools give you an edge. Checkmark 1. Passive income. Use AI to launch an automated business. Checkmark 1. Smarter investments. Let AI optimize your portfolio. Checkmark 1. To manage money better. I can track spending and maximize savings. The key to financial success in 2025. Leverage AI to make wealth building effortless. Rocket.